Hi, everybody. Welcome to my lounge. It is the middle of summer. I'm sitting by a fireplace because it's cool. Hope you enjoyed the video and hope you enjoyed the salad. Super easy to make. One of my favorite kinds of salads to make. It literally takes like 5 minutes. I've got the ingredients out there. I'm hungry. It's a delicious salad. And yeah, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. If we get to winter with these videos, I'll be doing more videos by the fireplace. If you want to see a fantastic video, search, I think it would be like Nick Offerman drinks whiskey by a fireplace. And somebody has made that into a 10-hour loop of it's Ron Swanson, basically, but Nick Offerman as Ron Swanson. Drinking whiskey by a fireplace. Definitely well worth a watch. And see you all tomorrow. Cheers.